Okay, here we are after 10 hours of work. So the car had a very deep clean. All the wheel wells have been cleaned, backs of the wheels have been cleaned. It's been treated with iron outs, clayed top to bottom, been washed about 3-4 times. All the door shuts have been cleaned, and then it's had a 3-step paint correction on the outside, and it's come up pretty good. So the roof obviously was matte before, so that took 2 hours on its own. So that's all been done. Just popped on the new wheel centres and dressed the tyres. Left to do it, still needs a coat of sealant to protect it, and I've also been round and I've done the touch-ins. So any chips and everything. Luckily there are actually 2 touch-up sticks in the car when I got it. So it looks pretty good. Slightly changed my plans, I think, because I think for it to be perfect it just needs the roof and the bonnet, to be honest. The sides of the car are pretty good, and the boot's not too bad either. There's that. Oh, so you can see the rear window again. So I need to decide what to do with that. But there's that, and the only other thing really letting it down is the this trim around the windows, which, as I said, is titanium. But I tried a couple of different polishes on it and it hasn't come up, so I'll have a bit of a Google and see if there's anything else. And also, it's a bit aggravating, is these seals. I don't know if they've shrunk or there's just a bit missing, so I need to look into that. Also, yeah, there was a lot of green mould around the lights, but I've managed to get most of it out with compressed air on there as well. So left to do, I'm going to do the service on the 24th, get these seats repaired, and then the inside's all done. And then it just needs to go to the body shop. And I just need to decide how much to get done. It obviously needs the wheel arch. I've touched in the wheel arch just to make it a little bit less obvious. But yeah, that needs doing, and it's whether I get the roof done and the bonnet as well. So there's that. There you go. Thanks very much. I will be doing another update shortly, as I've also bought a little red SLK, which is pink at the moment, so that needs a good polish. So yeah, I'll do an update with that shortly. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks very much. Bye.